If rubbing alcohol kills germs, why isn't it used to treat ear infections through ear drops? This is fiction. First of all, rubbing alcohol, that's a bit extreme. It can kill a lot of cells, not just the dangerous germs. But beside that, it won't work on a middle ear infection because the alcohol can't get to that particular area. Your ear is broken into 3 parts. We have your outer ear, which has a tube that's connected to your eardrum. Now your eardrum is special in this way. Your eardrum is a solid membrane. So if you tried to pour alcohol in your head, believe it or not, the membrane is not going to let it penetrate at all. So therefore, the bacteria on the other side where the infection actually is not going to be affected.